This week's Beyond Clean Expert Series episode, entitled Understanding Different Types of Repair Programs, Part 2, was written by instrument repair expert Tim Cochran, Senior Marketing Manager at Aesculap Technical Services. A repair-only approach to instrument repair can require a great deal of SPD time. Function testing is performed between uses to make sure the instruments in need of service are identified. Also, when the focus is only on repairing what is broken, vendors may not focus on the finish of the instrument. This could lead to unsightly staining or surface corrosion, which can become a bigger issue if left untreated. Repair and Refurbish Program. This is a more in-depth program that not only repairs and sharpens those items that need it, but also focuses on the finish of the instrument. Repair technicians often spend more time on the repair and focus on the surface of the instrument by buffing or polishing the instrument after the repair. Preventative Maintenance Program, PM. This program typically involves a vendor working with the SPD to establish a PM-type program that uses data from the tracking system to establish PM intervals for each set. This is usually created based upon the set type and the number of uses within a given time frame, and would not only repair and service the affected instruments, but also focus on inspection of all instruments within the set to ensure the set is ready for the next use. Although these are two common repair programs, vendors can also customize them based upon local needs. It's important to work with the repair vendor to establish a program that meets and exceeds your overall needs. The repair vendor is there to help establish the best program for your budget and set health needs. In the next episode, we'll look more closely at billing methods for these types of programs. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Beyond Clean Expert Series. For more instrument repair questions and answers, you can contact Tim at tim.cochran@aesculapusa.com.